Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nabil Rahan from section 1 Group-Logination. This is our lab 4 presentation video.
Salam alaikum. Hi guys, I am Siraj Suesi, section 1, group location. We do now a video for lab 4.
Hi, myself Hassan Ikhtiar. I am from Section 1, Logination Group. This is our Lab 4 presentation video.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Tawfiquzzaman and I am from Section 1 and this is our Lab 4 presentation video. Our group name is Logination.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Najm Saqib from Section 1 Group-Logination and this is our Lab 4 presentation video.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I am from group on section 1 and this is our lab 4 presentation video. Again, this is Fariduzzaman and now I will present our lab 4 program 2. So this is the data definitions and here here is our code. So first call clear screen to clear the console. Next, we will move the address of str1. str1, please enter multiplicand. We will move the address of str1 into edx. Next, call write string. This line will display the str1. We can check now. Here we see nothing. The console is empty. When we execute this line, if we check now, yes, it is here. Please enter a multiplicand and call readDec. This will allow the user to input. So now we can input. Let's input 6 and move multiplicand ex. Now our ex value is 6. We just put 6 and if we execute this line, now we have moved the value of ex into multiplicand. So our multiplicand has become 6. Here we will move the address of str2. str2, please enter a multiplier. We will move the address of str2 into edx. This will display the string str2 and next line call readDec will allow us to enter our input. So now we can input. Let's input 5 and here move multiplier ex. Now we will move the ex value. Now we just input 5 and it is in our ex. Now the value from ex, it will go to multiplier. Now our multiplier is 5. We can see it. And call crlf for new line or enter. Move offset. Now we will move the address of str3 into edx. str3 is multiplication of. Call write string. It will display the string str3. If we check now, it is not yet shown, but when we execute this line, if we check now you can see it, multiplication of. Next, move ex multiplicand. So now our value in the multiplicand is 6. It will move into eax. Here our ex is 6. Call writeDec. So now it will display the value. We can check it here, the value 6. Move edx offset 5. So we will move the address of str5 into edx. str5 is the symbol of multiplication and call write string. So this line will display the. If we check now, we can see there is not yet it shown, but after we execute this line, now we will be able to see the multiplication sign. Yes, here it is. And move ex multiplier. So now we will move the value of multiplier 5 into EAX. Here EX is 5 now, and call right, it will display it. Multiplicand. So now we will multiply EX value 5 with multiplicand 6. So here we can see it. So that's why EX has become 30. And move product EX. So we will move the value of EX into product. Here our product has become 30. And call CLRF for next line or new line or enter, and move EDX offset STR4. So now we will move the address of STR4 into EDX. STR4 is the product is. Call write string, it will display it. If we check now, it's not yet shown. And if we check now, after executing that line, the product is. So now we can see. And call call write deck. So this now it will show the value 30 after we execute this line. And call CRLF for new line. So now we can see it. The product is 30. Multiplicand 6, multiplier 5, and multiplication here, and the product is 30. So this is our lab 4 program 2. This is our lab 4 program 3, and this is the code. And here move EDX offset string 1 str1. So first we move the address of str1 into EDX. str1 is integer. We move the address of str1 into EDX register. Next call write string, it will display str1. We can check it. It's empty now. And when we execute this line, now if we check, we can see it. Enter integer. And call read integer. Call read integer is to allow the user to input integer. So now we can input our integer 25 and move EAX into hello. So we just entered 25. It is stored in EAX register. Now we will store this value, move this value into hello. Here hello is 25 now, and call CRLF for a new line. We are doing the same thing again. We are moving the address of str1 into EDX. This is for call write string for display str1. Call read integer to allow the user for input. Let's input 14. Now we are moving the value of EAX, which is 14. We just entered 14 into hello plus 4, because hello here we can see it. Hello is array with double word. Size is double word. Because it is double word, so every time we add a new integer, enter a new integer, we need to add 4, hello plus 4 for the address, next address. And call CRLF for new line. So here it is, everything is same. We will enter another integer 65, and this time EX is 65, and we will store this value into hello plus 8, because last time it was hello plus 4, and now we will store it in hello plus 8, and next it will be hello plus 12. So here everything is same. 88, 47. This time we are moving the value of EAX 47 into hello plus 16. And this is the last integer. Now here, move EDI. So we are move EDI offset hello. So we are moving the address of hello into EDI, and here we need to loop the L1 three times. So that's why ECX we are setting is this loop counter as 3, and we are clearing EAX by moving 0 into EAX. We entered into loop 1 and add EDI value of EDI into EAX. EAX is now 0. Now it is, after we execute that line, now it is 25, and we need to add 8 with EDI because we in L1 we want to sum up total odd. So that's why actually we want to add this one and this one. We want to go from here to here. That's why we are adding 8. And here our ECX is 3 because it is the loop 1. And after we complete loop 1, now it is 2. And here our EAX is now 90, and this is our last loop. So that's why ECX has become 1. And we have completed this loop, and our EAX is now 137, and now we will move this value into total 1, and total 1 is actually our total odd. So total 1 is now 137. Here we are moving the address of hello plus 4 into EDI hello plus 4 because here now we want to move this one. And same as before, the loop counter is 3, EX is 0. Here we move the value of EDI into EX, it has become 14, and we need to add 8 with EDI because we saw last time we need to go from here to here. Now we need to go from second value, from even to even and next even. That's why we are adding 8. So here ECX is now on 3 because it is the we just looped once. Now it is second loop, it is 2. EX became 102, and this is the final loop. That's why it is 1. And now EX is 139, and we will store this data, move this value into total 2, which is total even. So total 2 is now 139, and we will move the address of str2 into edx. str2 is total odd, and we can see str3 is total even. So we're moving it, and call write string, it will display it and move. So now we are moving the total one which is total odd. We are moving into EAX, and next when we call write deck, it will display it. We can see it here. Total odd is 137. Here it is same as before. We are moving the address of str3, which is total odd. The total even is. We are moving the address of str3 into edx. Next, this will display it, and here we are moving the value of total 2 into EAX. Total 2 is 139, and when we call write deck, it will display it. So finally we can see it. Total odd is 137 and total even is 139. So this is our this is the code for our lab 4 program 3. By doing this lab, we have learned about the interactive use of linked library such as read string, write string, read int, write deck, etc. This link library can help us in many ways in operations, then displaying the messages in the console, and we can take input from user can key in their desired input, and we can show them back the display the message. And then this link library has simplified the calculation process for us, and it also help us to run the assembly language, execute it smoothly and efficiently. And lastly, we want to thank our lecturer, CY lecturer Dr. Aida Ali, for helping us and providing clear instruction for our lab 4. That's
Okay,
all.
guys.
Thank
Thank you
you,
very
Naveen.
much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you very
Thank you,
much.
too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Allah Hafiz.